Welcome to my channel Star Seed Flower. When we have to deposit our cash in bank, first we go to our home bank branch. Either we do these two things. First, we fill the deposit slip and get the amount in our bank account, or we use our debit cards. We swipe it at the green channel counter, enter the PIN and get the amount in our bank account. If in case you have to deposit this cash in your father's account or any family member's account, then you go to their bank branch, ask him or her the PIN number and you deposit the amount, or by using the deposit slip you get the amount in their bank account. In another case, your father urgently needs some money and you are not living with your father. In case you use your UPI based app to transfer the money and suddenly you realize that your phone is not working, or your father doesn't have that UPI based app, or surprisingly you don't know the net banking. In case, we first withdraw the cash from the ATM and then we go to our home bank branch, and after filling the pay slip you transfer the money in your father's account. In both the cases, the usage of Remit card gave you a little benefit. The green Remit card is introduced by the SBI, and this card allows you to deposit or transfer cash to ours or some other's SBI account. It looks like a debit card with a single mag strip. By using this card, you can transfer or deposit cash at any GCC counters. The main advantage that you can transfer or deposit the cash at the cash deposit counters. There is no need to go to your bank branch and then deposit at the GCC counter. You can deposit it at any CDM counters. With this card, you don't have to enter the PIN. You can easily transfer or deposit the cash without PIN. You have to just enter the details and the amount, and after confirmation, you pay the amount or you deposit the money in your account. With the help of this card, you can deposit or transact 25,000 per transaction or monthly 1 lakh. Some points you have to know, like you can easily get this card even if you are not a SBI account holder and you need to remit an amount to some other's SBI account. You can easily apply for this card, but you only transfer the money in SBI account. For applying this card, you go to any SBI bank and fill the application form and give some ID proof, and then you easily get the SBI's green Remit card.